A set of new wheels or wheel bolts will give your car a better look. Today we're gonna introduce this BONOSS Forge shell type bolt kit and the installation method. Beautiful, unique, and safe are the attractions of BONOSS shell type bolt kits. There are 8 colors of shells to choose from, bringing different styles of rims. Compared with other products, BONOSS shell wheel bolt kit adopts anodized surface treatment, which has strong anti-rust ability and durable shell color. Grade 12.9 high-strength wheel bolts bring safer driving. Meanwhile, the shell type design makes it more confident to change the shell color. When installing this BONOSS Forge shell type bolt kit, there are some things we need to pay attention to. The first is the seat type. Whether you need a conical seat, flat seat, or bow seat. Second is the thread size. There's plenty of different sizes. The one we need is M14 by 1.5. The most important is use the correct torque to install. Avoid damage to the shell caused by excessive torque. With this in mind, we can start the installation now. Step 1. Using torque wrench to remove wheel bolts of your rims. Step 2. Then install BONOSS Forge grade 12.9 wheel bolts. Each set has 4 locking wheel bolts that prevent your expensive wheels from being stacked. We install 1 locking bolt on each wheel. Using 70mm socket to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern with 140 Nm, and special lock key to tighten the locking wheel bolt. Mounting the shell on BONOSS grade 12.9 wheel bolts and torque it with 5 Nm to 10 Nm. If you need to change the shell color, just remove the shell and replace it. We also have other different styles of wheel bolts for your car. Please see the link below.